Hello student, today we are going to study endocrine regulation of male reproductive system. Endocrine regulation of male reproductive system is also known as hormonal control of male reproductive system. In this topic we are going to study how the different hormones control the process of spermatogenesis. In this process the main gland is hypothalamus, from which the initiation of spermatogenesis process will start. Initially, hypothalamus secretes the hormone gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormone acts on special cells of pituitary gland. These special cells are called as gonadotropes. And then gonadotropes release two kinds of hormone, luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. As we know, the testis has two main cells, Leydig cells, and in seminiferous tubules, the Sertoli cell. In case of luteinizing hormone, it acts on a Leydig cells. Luteinizing hormone stimulates the Leydig cell to secrete specific enzyme. That enzyme convert cholesterol into a hormone, testosterone. Testosterone enter the seminiferous tubule. At the same time, follicle stimulating hormone, which releases from the pituitary gland, reaches the seminiferous tubule in testes. Here, the follicle stimulating hormone stimulates the Sertoli cell to synthesize a special kind of protein. These are androgen binding protein. Androgen binding protein helps the testosterone hormone to dissolve in the lumen of the seminiferous tubule. Testosterone carries out the process of spermatogenesis. At the initial stages, spermatogonia is a diploid cell. It divides by the process of mitosis into two different cells. Here we consider spermatogonia divides into cell A and cell B, where cell A again transforms into spermatogonia, while cell B it proceeds in the process of spermatogenesis. This cell is called as primary spermatocyte, which is a diploid cell. In the lumen, this cell divide into two different cells by the process of meiosis first, and its number is going to reduce to half. It forms the secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte again divides by the process of meiosis second and form four spermatids. These four spermatids mature into spermatocytes. The process of formation of spermatocytes from spermatid is called as spermiogenesis, and the entire process, the formation of spermatocyte from primary spermatocytes is known as spermatogenesis. As the level of testosterone increases, it acts on a hypothalamus to decrease its secretion, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone. It also inhibits the production of luteinizing hormone by acting on a pituitary gland. In this way, higher level of testosterone decreases its own secretion. This is called as negative feedback mechanism. And testosterone level decreases, which also inhibit the process of spermatogenesis. At the same time, Sertoli cell also has a specialized organelle that detect the level of spermatocyte, and as the level of spermatocytes increases its optimum level, then the Sertoli cell secretes another kind of hormone that is called as inhibin. Inhibin acts on a hypothalamus and decreases the synthesis of gonadotropin releasing hormone. At the same time, it also acts on a pituitary gland to decrease the follicle stimulating hormone level. In this way, the process of spermatogenesis will stop. In this way, this is the endocrine regulation of male reproductive system.